VPP TD. Continue. The name already there, so I would like to consider TD one. Continue. Then provide the short, medium and long descriptions. Go to extraction tab. Select the file name from the browser. From the desktop, select the file. Choose the following properties. Header rows to be ignored. 1. Data format CSV. Data separator is comma. Escape sign is semicolon. Go to proposal tab. Load example data. Go to fields tab. Provide the info objects mapping here. YP number is for VPP. Then YSQ is for VPP. In the place of unit, 0 unit. Enter. YNA is for VPP. Enter. 0 currency. Enter. 0 calde. Enter. Once provide the mappings, then activate the data source. And before that, one property need to be considered here in data source. What is the property? Go to extraction tab. Direct access, what is it showing here? Direct DDP access. What is it showing? No DDP allowed for direct access, but we should choose allowed. In the case of virtual provider, this setting is compulsory. Then activate the data source. Now data source has been activated successfully. This is our data source. Go to info provider. This is our info area. Expand it. So right click on info area. Create the virtual provider. Provide the technical name and description here. Y VPP and for IC2. Create. Define the info cube here. Go to time, info object, direct input and place the info object here. 0 calde. And go to dimensions. Place the info object direct input here. Product number I would like to place 5P number is for VPP. And go to key figures. Place the key figures here. Supply quantity and net amount. So once place the required info objects in the virtual provider, then activate. Here you can see if you expand settings, you can see here type of info cube is virtual provider and subtype is based on DTP. Activate the virtual provider. Now virtual provider is ready. Now let us build transformations between data source and here virtual provider. Create transformation. Here under source of the transformation, select the object type data source and provide the data source name. Choose the source system connection. FF underscore yes, then continue. Then activate. Now transformations is ready. Then right click on this virtual provider, create DDP. Remember, it is a direct DDP, so that we cannot see options what we have seen in the standard DDP. Simply activate the direct DDP. That's it. Go back. Now, right click on virtual provider. Here on option is there activate direct access. Simply click on this. Now it is showing our DDP what we have activated now, direct DDP. So select this direct DDP, save. Now successfully virtual provider is built and which is connected to the source system successfully. So if you want to see the preview, right click on the virtual provider, display data. Then you can see the preview. This is the preview. So in the creation of virtual provider, there is no info package required. There is no standard DTP required. We have used direct DTP. Whenever you execute at runtime, data will be directly retrieved from the repo, from source into repo. Fine. Now, let us write down another task. Create the real-time info queue. I would like to explain about the properties of the real-time info queue today. Tomorrow I would like to show you practically. Okay. Right down below, real-time info queue is used in planning systems to maintain the planning data. Real-time info cube is used in planning systems to maintain the planning data. Just a minute. Yeah. Real-time info cube is used in planning systems to maintain the planning data. Real-time info cube maintains two properties or two behaviors. Real-time info cube maintains two behaviors. One is data loading behavior. Two is planning behavior. If we want to load the data using DDP, if we want to load the data using DDP into real-time info cube, then it should maintain data loading behavior. Then it should maintain data loading behavior. Okay. If we want to load the plan data, in into real-time info cube, then it should maintain planning behavior. This is the real-time info cube. Next, to load the planning data into real-time info cube, we should use BI integrated planner. To load the planning data into real-time info cube, we should use BI integrated planner. Simply we can put as a BI IP. The key code for the BI IP is RS plan. So it is a separate job how to load the planning data and how to plan the data using IP. It's a separate job. But to load the planning data, to analyze the planned data, we should compulsory consider real-time info cube only. Tomorrow's session I would like to explain about how to use the IP integrated planner to load the data, planned data into real-time info cube. I will show you. But before that, into real-time info cube, we should load the required data with the data loading behavior. Then come to the BI integrated planner and try to load the planned data according to the settings, analysis settings. Okay. So tomorrow 7:30, try to come to online. I will continue the real-time info cube loading class. Okay.